Alright, so I have a bit of a dilemma. Because I am charging my phone, but my vape is dead. Oh, wait. It's got some light. Oh, see, it's dead. So, I have a brand new charger, but I know I have an old charger around here somewhere. So I don't want to open the new charger yet. Because I know I have another one, but I don't want to look for it. So, so I guess I just have to wait for my phone to charge and then charge this. Or I could open up the new charger and charge this while this is charging. Or I could go take my lazy ass and search for the damn old cord. What do I do? What would you do?